Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Anjal and I welcome you to this quick and easy tutorial for this beautiful Mike Posner song called I Took a Pill in Ibiza. Now this entire song is pretty easy. You have only few main lines to learn and you should be able to play this entire song just like that. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. So the first line of the song goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start on the second string of the first fret. We go 1 3 3 like that, followed by 1 on the second string and 3 on the third string. And then you do 2 times more 3 on the third string. So this part we have like that. Then the pinky comes down on the second string, third fret. You can see I'm not really picking up my first finger or the ring finger for this section because I'll be going to those 1 and 3 again. So we have second string, third string, second string, followed by 1. You just take the pinky off. You're already holding that note with the first finger. Then you do 2 more times 1 1 on the second string, followed by 3 on the third. Again you're already holding that note, and then you have 1 again on the second string. So this part together goes like that. Then we just have 1 3 first, like that. Now you can actually do it with the ring finger also if you want. After that 3, the next notes we kind of start to play them in 3 3 together, like triplets together. Okay, so we have 3 3 notes coming together. So you have a 3, and then you have the next 3 notes kind of together. So 3 1 1, all on second string. Then the next 3 notes, the 1 on the second string and the 3 on the third string together. So 1 3 3 together. The next 3 notes, the 3 0 0 together, then the 0 3 3 together. Okay, and then the next 3 is kind of alone, the 0 is kind of alone again. Okay, so this is where it kind of changes a little bit, and then you again have the next 3 notes, actually next 4 notes together. So you have 0 3 1 1 all together, so like that. So last 4 notes kind of goes together. So just the last part together very slowly. One more time. You had from the 3, you did the 3, then you start kind of playing them together. So you have okay, and then 1 3, and then 1 0, then 0 3 1 1 all together, like that. Okay, let's play that all together very slowly. We have very well done. That takes you to the next line of the song. Goes something like this. We have okay, let's break that down. So we start on the 3 of the second string. You do that twice, followed by 1 on the same string. Then you have 3 3 on the third string, followed by 0 on the third string. So this part, like that. Then again same thing kind of starts like the previous one. So you again have 3 3 3 3. So second string, third string, third string, second string, third string. Back to 1 3 1. So all of this is exactly same as before. Okay, something like that. So only one new section to learn basically, because the rest of the line is exactly like the first line. So let's just play all of that together very slowly. We have very well done. And that takes you to the next line of the song. The next line of the song goes something like this. Very slowly we have let's break that down. Okay, now it's very easy. Just follow the notes. You should be able to play it very quickly. So we start on the first fret of the second string. You do 1, then you do 3 1 1 kind of together, like that, all on the second string, followed by 3 on the third string, then again 3, and then again 3. Okay, so this part, like that. Then 3 again on the second string. Now you play the next 5 notes kind of together, or sorry, next 5 notes kind of together. So you go 3 1 1, and the 3 on the third string, and the 1 on the second string. All of that kind of goes together. So you play the 3, and then like that, and that 1 again we pluck it 3 times. Then we move on to the next 3, then again 3, and again the 1 3 3 goes together. So 1 on the second string, and the 3 3 on the third string. Okay, so the last 3 notes kind of goes together. We have like that. Then you just play the 3 more times, and then 2 more after a little break, like that. So this entire line very slowly we have. Very well done. And that will take you to the next line of the song. Goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start on the third fret of the second string. We play that 3. Then the next 3 notes kinda comes together. So the 1 on the second string, 3 on the third, and the 3 again on the third. They kinda come together. So you have 3, then 1 3 3, like that. And then you play 3 more times. Then you again have the same 3 on the second string. Then again the next 3 notes come together. So the 1 3 1 this time, 3 on the third string. Again 1 3 times. Very good. Then again you do the 3. Again the next 3 notes come together, so same 1 3 3, then 3 3 3, then you play 1 on the second string, 3 on the third string, followed by you have 2 more 3s on the third string, followed by 1 1 on the second string. So all of that very slowly together, we have something like this. Very slowly we go. Something like that. And that will take you to the next line of the song. This one will be a longer line since it's a very easy line to play, but let's break it down, see how it goes. So let me play it to you once very slowly. Goes something like this. We have Let's break that down. So we start on the third string. We let that third fret, third string ring out. Then we do 3 1 on the second string. You let the 1 ring out. Then the 1 3 is a little quick. Then you go to the 3 on the third string again. You let that ring out. Then you go to 3 on the second, followed by 3 on the third, and then 1 on the second string. You read it, it should be way easier than you think. Okay, then it kind of restarts again with little variation. So you again go with the 3, you let that ring out. This time you can do either a bar chord like that and catch both the 3 3s together, okay, or you can keep your ring finger right, pinky finger right under your ring finger, whatever you prefer. So you have 3 3 3, so third string, second string, third string, to the 1, again let that ring out. Then you have 1 3, same thing, little quick, to the 3 on the third string. Then you again have 3 on the second, followed by 3 on the third, and then 2 on the third string. And that will actually complete this line. So let me play it back to you very slowly. We have very well done. And that will take you to the last line of the song. Goes something like this. We have let's break that down. So we start with middle finger on the 8th fret of the 4th string. We play that with the 3rd string open. You play it and you let it ring out. Then you move your middle finger to the 3rd fret. Keep your first finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Play that together. You let that ring out. Same thing, this time first finger on the 4th string, 1st fret. again third string open. You let that ring out as well. Then you can kind of make a D chord, but since we're not using the middle finger, you can let that go. You play the second string with the third string. Then the middle finger comes on the fourth string, third fret. You again play the fourth and the third string, like that. And we end it with again 8th fret, 4th string with the 3rd string open, like that. Let's play that back very slowly. We have and that will complete this song for you. Now is the time that we head into the play along of this song, but again, in case there are still any doubts, any sections that you feel like need more practicing, then I highly suggest you to just go back, rewatch the tutorial and then come back to this section of the song. But now if you feel like it's all good, then let's dive right into the play along of the song and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to play this beautiful song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case you still have any doubts, any queries, suggestions or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now, if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.